So imagine, please, that you're starting, you're just graduated from the college, and you're starting a new startup, a new business, and obviously, the main goal here is to get solid profits, obviously, solid revenue, all the things. But it's very important to know and to know how to read the basic financial statements because are the base of your decisions that you're gonna take all the days in the operation of your business. So it's very important because these financial statements are the language of your business, are not only statements, they are the language of your business. Here you can see all the numbers, the black numbers of your business. O sea, all here is in numbers. So please pay attention. For the first statement is the balance sheet statement. So here you can like see all your, it's like a picture of your business, your financial situation in that moment. Okay, so here you can see all your assets, liabilities, all your equity, all the things, and they are very important because if you doesn't know that information, you can't take the good decisions for your business because you need to take three types of decisions of investment, decisions of operation, decisions on the activities of the day-to-day in your company. So the second statement that is very important is the income statement. So here you can see all the operation of your business. Here you can see the profit. You can see the revenue. You can see all your expenses. It's very important to know what are your expenses when you have a company because if you doesn't know what are your expenses, maybe what you are doing. Okay, so you need to know all that things, and obviously if you have a good profit, you can take decisions of, oh, okay, I will invest on that stock of that company. I will buy like equipment for my operation, for production, or I don't know. So obviously, all time you need to have solid profits because if you doesn't have solid profits, what are you doing? Okay, so this second statement is very important, and the last statement is the cash flow statement. Here you can see all the movements of cash that enter to the company and go out. Okay, so all the activities that you have with money. So it's very important to know how much money is in your company because if you have big amounts of money, obviously you can make your company buying, like I said before, equipment for production or buying stocks for biggest companies, buying Bitcoin. I don't know. You can do whatever you want with that money, but it's very important to have money because if you doesn't have money, you can do anything. So it's very important knowing these basic statements because if you don't need to make it. You only need at least to know how to read it and what's the content of the statements. Okay, so it's very basic and it's very important. According to the U.S. government, more than 50% of new startups die before the 5 years of operation, and almost all cases they die because of the bad decisions they have taken. So it's very important to know your numbers, your amounts of cash that you have on your company. All the things is very important for taking decisions because if you doesn't even know how to read these statements, probably you are taking bad decisions. So it's very important all this topic because if you like, you can see videos on YouTube. It's very simple, but it's the basis of your operation of your business or your startup. I don't know, wherever your organization. I don't know, but it's very important. So as I say, a big amount of companies in percentage is more than 50%, and here in Mexico I think that is highest that level. So think you doesn't want to be on that percentage. So please, you can read all the statements, you can interpret, I don't know, but it's very important to know the basis of this because if you doesn't know, probably you can take bad decisions. So knowing these statements are the financial decisions that transform. Okay, so thank you very much.